We are learning to write a recount about something I have done. I'm going to write about something I did in the weekend because it's Monday and I know that I had some fun things to write about. So now what I'm going to do is quickly plan the things that I did in the weekend, things that I might like to talk about. Well, the big thing that happened in the weekend was that I went to my Nana's house. I love my Nana and I want to talk about going to her house. At my Nana's house, they have a go-kart that my granddad made. So I'm going to talk about the go-kart. Also, my Nana is awesome at cooking, and so she baked some delicious cookies. And the last thing I'm going to talk about is how I actually had a sleepover. I love staying with my Nana. Okay, when I start a recount, I need to know that it's something that I've already done. So my first word is not going to start with I am. It's going to start with I did, or maybe yesterday, or maybe in the weekend. They're all words that say things have happened in the past. Because I went to my Nana's on a Saturday, that's my perfect start. On Saturday, I went to I could write my Nana, but my Nana is so beautiful and I love her so much. I want to put that into my writing. On Saturday, I went to my beautiful Nana's house. Full stop. That's my first sentence. Good job, Miss T. You can give a little tick by that box in your plan because you've already said the first thing that was in your plan. Okay, now I've really got to think about my second sentence. Do I want to talk about the cookies or the go-kart? I think I'm going to go for the go-kart. Okay, so this sentence has to say something about the go-kart. I went on a cool as go-kart. I could really write some more about that, but I might go into how now go-kart. Yep, check. Whoop, whoop. I went on a cool as go-kart. My Nana made some cookies to eat. They were yummy. They were yum. Yay, good job. I've got 3 ticks in my plan. Now I've got to write one more sentence about having a sleepover. Okay, I had a sleepover. And that is my recount about something I have done.